Pull the pin, aim at the base, squeeze the handle, sweep side to side.
In the workplace, portable fire extinguishers are provided for your safety. OSHA requires training on their use. First priority, alert others, call emergency services, and evacuate if the fire is too large or unsafe. For small, contained incipient stage fires, use the PASS method, PERDO, the standard technique taught under OSHA guidelines.
P. Pull the pin. This breaks the tamper seal and unlocks the extinguisher.
Remember the PAS technique. First, pull the pin like this. Next, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire.
A. Aim low. Direct the nozzle at the base of the fire, Hickshind, where the fuel meets the flame. Stay 8 to 10 feet back if possible. Low aim keeps you safe and targets the source effectively. Squeeze the handle evenly. Apply steady pressure to discharge the extinguishing agent.
Steady control prevents wasting the agent and improves coverage.
S. Sweep from side to side. Cover the entire base until the fire is completely out.
Continue sweeping and back away gradually. Never turn your back on the fire.
Pull, aim low, squeeze, sweep. This is the OSHA recommended technique for effective use.
Your life comes first. Evacuate and call help. Fight only if small and escape route clear. Conduct monthly inspections. Look for damage. Ensure pin is secure. Gauge is green. OSHA training is mandatory annually. No PAS. Stay prepared. Protect yourself and others.
Enjoying this content? Tap subscribe and stay connected.